I'm fine. And you? I'm fine, I'm fine. Have your seat.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. So, how is your girlfriend? My girlfriend? She's fine, she's fine. How about yours? Oh, mine is fine too, mine is fine too. Okay, that's good. That's very good, that's very good. What did she eat last night?
What?
What type of question is that? What's your business concerning what she ate last night? I just want to know, guys.
What?
I just want to know, it's not a big deal.
Continue.
Okay, she ate meat pie. Meat pie? Wow. I can't even imagine the first time I tasted meat pie.
What?
It was so sweet. For the first time, I didn't want to taste it. John, my friend, said I should just taste it. And then when I tasted it, oh my gosh, it is mind blowing.
What?
No problem. I love that meat pie so much. It tastes very sweet.
You were not informed.
Then I saw this guy when I was coming from Port Harcourt. The guy was so tall. That was the first time I saw the tallest person on this earth. Then I traveled to London. Yeah, I saw big ship. The ship was so big.
Will you keep quiet?
The load on the ship was very plenty. Then I saw this ostrich.
Oh my
I saw
God.
ostrich. The ostrich was very big. The ostrich started shouting, "Hi Chris! Hi
What?
Chris! Hi Chris!"
It is smoky, but
Oh my gosh! I can't even explain what happened.
it's a thing in
Then
there.
I entered the plane, which was on his way to America. Then when I came down from America, then I saw this diamond.
What?
Was shining. This diamond. Oh man, I wish I could just afford that diamond. I wish
Child.
I could just afford it because the diamond was very cashy. The eye cash, I understand. Like
There is
when
God.
you see a diamond, the diamond, oh god, diamond is so expensive. I can't afford it. I can't afford it. That was the reason I couldn't get it. Like this old man begging on the street.
What?
Then I gave the man $100. After I gave the man $100, then I started walking on the street and I saw a lot of things. I was excited to be in US.
Okay.
Then I traveled from US. Then I went to Turkey.
What?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
A lot of delicious food from Turkey. Like, oh man.
Will you keep quiet?
Imagine that. Oh man, the trip was so awesome, bro. So awesome.
No problem.
Then I went from there. Then I traveled to find beautiful. See, I don't need any drama for now. So please get up and be going.
What?
What happened? Why are you telling me to get out? Get up. Get up. Get up.
Child.
What happened now? Get up.
Hey!
I don't understand. You say I didn't do anything, but why are you chasing me out of your house?
You be mumu.
You didn't do anything. No, what I need now is for you to get up. Leave
Hey!
the house. I'm not the only friend you have.
What?
You have any other friends? Go and meet them. Now, get out. What's happening? Get out of my house. Move. Tell me what I did. Why are you doing like this? I'm not the only friend you have. You have any other friends? Go and meet them. Now, get out. Get out. Idiot. I don't even know why someone will be behaving like a parrot.
What? What? What?
They tell me, sorry, oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you.